Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Today I am again with you. I am discussing a topic related to class 8th. Lastly, we have done difference between metals and non-metals. Today, we will discuss about the reactivity series. Students, now we will discuss about the reactivity series. Reactivity series is the arrangement of metals on the basis of decreasing reactivity. Highest reactive metal is potassium, then sodium, then calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver and gold. Silver and gold are least reactive while potassium is most reactive. So, the arrangement of metal on the basis of decreasing the reactivity series is known as reactivity series. How to learn this reactivity series? There is a criteria we set for learning reactivity series, that is, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. This is the way we can learn it. The reactivity series. So please students, do try to learn it on the basis of this criteria. From please we use potassium, from stop we use sodium, for calling we use calcium, from me we use magnesium, for A it is aluminium, for careless it is carbon, for zebra it is zinc, instead it is iron, try it is tin, learning it is lead, how it is hydrogen, copper it is copper, saves it is silver, gold it is gold. This is the way you can learn the reactivity series. Once again I will like to tell you what is reactivity series. Reactivity series is the arrangement of metals on the basis of decreasing reactivity. Highest reactive metal is at the top and least reactive metal is at the bottom. As you see here, the highest reactivity metal is potassium. It is at the top, while the least reactive, that is gold, it is at the bottom. This is the reactivity series of the metal. It is very helpful to you as we can learn displacement reaction further in the chapter metals and non-metals. So please students, do learn this reactivity series. By learning, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper saves gold. Thank you and have a nice day.